Sup, what up guys, George over here, and welcome back to the Great Gas Experiments. Today, and before I continue, I have been trying to think of the ones to do next. I've been thinking about, rumble. Wait, I already did that. Echo, volume. Well, this is the only show I got. My mom gave me the thing of burping into objects, so we'll do it right back here and see how the rumble affects it. So let's just get into the video, guys. Okay, so here's the first one. That sucked. Play. Yeah. I need to get that out first. Okay. Stop getting stuck. There we go. Finally, now it's gone. Okay, here we go. So, sorry, let's move into it. Bag time this time. Smell blood. Okay. It's, that's what I put it. It's like, an earthquake, how it vibrates things. Well, think of that on the lowest scale ever, and that's how it feels. Guys, getting stuck. Stop getting stuck. Stop. I've noticed a while. I'm kind of rusty. I'm gonna make sure I got getting stuck. Okay. Let me just pause this so I can warm up here, guys. Okay, guys. Welcome back. Sorry, I just had to warm up a teeny bit because I haven't done it in so long. Okay, so back to this. Stupid fly. Okay. And since this is really just not going anywhere, let's go with echo. Oh. Okay, let's get into this. So. Okay, so echo. Okay. No. Dear God, no. Yeah, it's a bit of echo. Not really, though. Well, see you guys next video. It's going to come out directly after this one. See you guys later. Trouble coming from this guy. Good.